Well, welcome to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a Type S in the house, and what a lovely colour this is as well. It's almost like a metallic greyish sort of bronzy brown. I don't know what colour that is, but I love it. We've actually got one on the dyno as well at the moment. It's very nice, it's very nice. Today, Richard is modifying a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system to fit the Type S. So that's going to sound incredible afterwards as well, so we'll show you that when it's done. But yeah, here we go. Okay, so Richard has been a busy little beaver and he has fitted and modified the Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system to this Type S, which is a 1.8. So modified here, V-band on, and there we go, a beautiful Tegiwa bit of kit on the car. It's time to bring it down and have a listen. Well, it's time for the sound test. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, that's better. Lots better. Still a deep tone, but louder. Exactly how it should sound, in my opinion. Well done, Richard. Another one in the bag.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.